Hi guys. It's been a long time since last time that I put on YouTube. Um, I witnessed something kind of really shocking. Uh, North Carolina yesterday was 1,700 new case, and the day before was 1,400 new case, and every day it seems like lately it's like a 1,500, around 1,500 new case, and yet that I just witnessed outside of Blue Lion that one of the grandma brought the grandchild and she was coughing non-stop, and she did not have a mask on. Her granddaughter did not have a mask on, and she walked toward to other store, and obviously her family member went into that other store. When he comes out, I didn't see him have a mask on either. So three of them walked into their vehicle and left. With the number of increase that we have in North Carolina, someone coughing nonstop and have all their family members do not have a mask on, and yet they go into the store without the mask on. I mean, I'm not sure that she actually went, but even her family member, when somebody cough like her and her family member do not have a mask on to go to store, when somebody family member have a sick like that, you should consider yourself to have extra precaution for other people who's in the store. Some may think that I'm overreacting, but this is everybody should have a precaution with, especially when family members sick, cough non-stop. Even if they have bronchitis or whatever, you don't know that is from bronchitis, it's non-stop coughing, or you're not a doctor. And just to be safe side, and that's just for anybody who witnessed that, to not to be freaked out. Why not to have a mask on? It gets me nervous, and it gets me worried. That makes me consider twice, am I able to go back to work? Anyway, this is just a little update, but I've been witness and I've been counting how many percent of people actually have a mask when they go into the store. It's been better than before with a mask. Now I see these 50% of the population have a mask on when they go to store. I would hope it would be 100% so everybody can feel secure, everybody feel okay to go to store without worry. Let's be realistic. Mask is not only for you, it's for anybody around you, anybody who will stop by after you. When you cough once and then spray to the different item, you know it's gonna stay for a couple days. And I don't think anybody can sanitize every spot 100%, make sure it's clean. There's some surface you can't really deal with the clean, because I saw her coughing right in front of outside the store where clothing is on the rack, and she coughed right in front of it with no mask many times. Let's have a mask, guys. Not for yourself, only for others. And God bless America. Bye.